What's up, y'all? It's Reap2Sow back again with another live pre-recorded session. And we're jumping into Nas. We already got into a couple entries already. Just seeing it's 8 o'clock already, damn near. So we saw price breakthrough on the 15 here. So we just got in a couple entries. Seeing that price on, let's clear this up so it's a little more clear for y'all. Price has sold down to these levels before this red area. And this is what we said on Monday we were going to sell from these two red levels, because you see price is stacking up on top of each other, especially with selves. So underneath this level is all selves. We came above this area, so this is the big indication or showing that it has potential to go down. This is it's correcting itself going up. And then we have the 50 EMA above, still pushing it down. Didn't cross above, didn't break any highs, besides these highs over here. But that's on these time frames. So on 15, it never broke any highs over here. So that's the good news that we have. So underneath this level, I feel like we're gonna get some major sales. We'll see how the volume kicks in with the news we have today. We have a target all the way down here, which is really crazy. But we might take partials at this level, or even this level right here. So we'll see what happens. This might be too extreme, but we'll take profits at this level, but keep some in to see if we can touch this level as well. So let's see if we get going into 8:30. That's where our news is really today. And we entered off the phone, so there's no chart that we're seeing, but this is the news that we have today. 8:30 GDP, unemployment claims, durable good orders, all red folders, which is kind of like, in a sense, breaking the rules, but as well, this is what we have going for us today within the chart. But I do want to see on the 1 hour price, 4 hour price stay underneath this level, which is in another hour. So at 9 o'clock, I want to see price below this area. Give us some more solidification that we have potential to sell. But we have to get past 8:30, obviously, and we get paid past 9 o'clock to show really the full example of how we can sell all the way back down. If our stop loss above here, this level, because if we get above here, then this is the area where it's going bullish. So that's how we feel about gold. Not to take up too much time. We're gonna stay on here till 9 o'clock and see price break and close below this area, this red box, and we're gonna let it ride all the way down. With enough volume, we should be able to get down there easily. As last time we were able to get down here, it almost took two big 4-hour candles, which is damn near 1 day. So I think it's definitely doable and possible. We'll see what the unemployment claims come out as. What else news do we have? Yeah. FOMC members speak at 8:45. So pretty much getting past this now until 9 o'clock will definitely help. Everything else will probably flow well. Pending home sales probably not gonna affect the market. Even though it's orange folder, I don't see it affecting the market too much. But see what happens with that. Just want to make sure we're in position. This does look like an bearish engulf, and that we can form a 4-hour to sell down. And that'll be very helpful for us. Just want to be put in the best position possible for this next hour, as price is jumping in between these levels. Yeah, once you get this 1 hour to cross these 5 and 13 EMAs, I think we'll be in good hands. But yeah, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I want to check on Nas. I know it's probably still buying still. Yeah, strongly buying. New highs. So going into Sunday structure after this session, after session's over, we're gonna mark this up on not this on this NAS 100, because this was what syncs up to our liquid charts broker better. So we'll have to mark up on this. We'll get rid of the other NAS 100 and go accordingly. Yeah, that's pretty much it with just the outlook of highs. Though it hasn't really been pulling back, straight uptrend. So that's exactly what we have going on. The potential for it to come back down today, I don't know. We had a good streak. Even came an indication, came back down last night, and then came back up last night. So we'll see what happens with this. I knew it was gonna sell if they had this high, but I didn't think it was gonna recover that quickly. I thought it was gonna come back and retest this area down here. But as you can see, we have a lot of new highs. Well, not a lot, but 2 more highs. Really, this could go up here. So we'll wait and see what gold has to do for us for the next 55 minutes, 56 minutes. And at that point, we won't try to do anything that harms us for the foreseeable future. It seems pretty easy of a trade. Our entry came from really the 15, breaking this area that we said was gonna break. And we also had, and this is actually low we should have gotten that, but it's too early. 5:30 is crazy. Yeah, 5:30 is crazy. But we had this high above the no trading zone. EMA's below. Well, really above. We're breaking through both of them, 200 and the 50. But on the 1 hour, most importantly, really most importantly, the 4 hour was below. Prices below the 50 EMA. We only had a 200 EMA in the way. And I believe we could get past that because we previously had that same downtrend when 200 EMA was down there. I don't know where the 800. Oh, 800. Yeah, so. I think, yeah, that's why I want to sell, because I think we could be able to get this 800 EMA out the way too. I think it will sell down to that area eventually. Not now, probably not next week. But yeah, we'll make sure we're in the best position possible to sell. Or should we just sell hard now? But we'll see what price develops into. make sure we move swiftly, move very swiftly. From this point on, we just want to close below that red level right there. Like I keep reiterating, I already closed below this low on the 1 hour. Let's see how low we have to really close below. Yeah, this low. This will set off everything. And I think once we close below this low, obviously we'll be able to touch this low. But I think that's when we'll be able, even if we touch this low, I think we could go all the way down here. I believe. Because even with these levels down here, it touched this level, came back up. Now we test this level down here. And that's lower than the actual level we're actually aiming for, which is 32.74. So we'll see exactly what happens. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna click stop recording. All right, we're getting closer and closer to 8:30 now. 15 minutes to see what price can do for us. Like I said, 1 hour, I want to see these two EMAs cross down and pull us down. just came out. It's really 8:30. 8:30. 8:30 had the most news, red folders and orange folders. Nice one now. Hold on. Guess we can't look at the daily yet, so we can go look at that for now. Price has potential to keep going down though. We're in an uptrend for a long time for gold, so I'm surprised why it's being so stubborn. This is an all-time high too. We at on a daily. I think we have room to come down somewhat. Let's give it something down. We always go back up. Daily looks, it's showing bullish obviously, but we definitely use it bearish. It's showing bullish on a daily, but I think we could definitely get down here. Okay, we did this before. We came above this level before, so all the way back down. At least target this area. The aqua's right here. 200 EMA is there. It's far, but yeah, it's a low where it's buying off of buy. So we gotta be careful here. Really here. This where it's selling off. This is where it's buying off really a lot on the daily. I think at 80 level, 280. You know what? Yeah, I think it's 90 or 90s. Going across the board. It's buying up off the 90 level. Came back down. Buying off the 90 level. Came all the way down here. Continue to buy all the way up to the 90 level. Yeah, 90 level, we gotta be very, very, very careful. I think we should take profit there and leave it alone. Close out the trade. Price is being stagnant in this area. You might form, we just need to form a candle pattern here. That'll help us see, or even on a 1 hour, just close and below this area will help. But we got the 15-minute coming up in 11 minutes, so we'll wait for the market to do what I do. I'll be right back, 2 seconds. Yeah, we just need prices act accordingly right now. Um, I would love for price to stay below this area right here. I really want price to just go down here, but we'll see what happens here. On a 1 hour, we got 30 minutes left. On a 15. I mean, our stop is above here, so we should be super fine. Two minutes, about a minute and a half before 8:30. Don't want to close above that level either. But we're sitting at right there, as you're looking at. More energy to put towards buys, you can put towards sells. You heard gold. Like with these volatility pairs, you will let a pair stop, like break even or in profit. It just always moving. It's 8:30 candle right here. See what we get. It's lovely if it start pushing down. So you should get aggressive. Aggressive sell right here. And volatility kick in for this. That's all we asking for. Just slight. It's on 15 too, so. Oh, this thing. Let's see something real quick. Yeah, we potentially go down. We will make this happen. Market will go in our favor. It will. So let's see price just give us a bearish engulfing here. Should be able to slide down. I'll tell you to push in. It's 8:30. Like I said, we at 8:45. Yellow folder, I believe. They were still digesting the news. It's only 3 minutes. Only been 3 minutes. Still digesting the news that we just got. I don't know. Every time we open this chart, this Forex Factory, it pops up with Wednesday news. So this is the news that just came out for 8:30. Unemployment claims is positive, less numbers on unemployment claims. GDP is negative. A bunch of positive numbers though. 8:45, we got 2 members speaking. We'll see about how that happens. And it's pretty much good. See how price closes here. We got a whole another 20 minutes before the 1 hour closes and the 4 hour. So like I said, we want to get below that area on the 4 hour. I have to sell down. I guess that's the pullback we needed. So what we want to see is price close out here at this level. Obviously, we don't want price to come above this level at all anymore. So our highest entry that we currently have is 340. So it's right here. Yep. So we're on target in a sense. So what we see, we need this 15 to close here. Okay, we gotta wait the 9 minutes. So we're basically just suiting up for price to come down to 90. We'll just aim for 90 for now. Let's go on the 1 hour, mark the 90 up. Really, this is a 1 to 6, but we'll take the 1 to, what would that be? I'll take even a 1 to 4. We want to see price sell crazily down, at least down to this level. I'll hold the rest, but we want to get past this level that we're at. The 1 hour high is 23 minutes to close and cross these 2 EMAs. It's in sync. All these are in sync right now. We need this to close after 8 minutes here. So this is a bearish engulfing coming from a resistance level. And the 4 hour has a big candle, and we have the EMA above it. Simply what we wanted to see yesterday. Like I said though, if we close below this level or this level, we're in good hands to just hold on. Let's see 1 hour 15 real quick. I said if when price closes below, then at 9 o'clock, then we'll just stay out the market and let the trade ride down. Do what I gotta do. It still has a lot of volatility. It's probably building up in this area. Probably a lot of sellers coming in below this level, especially. Multiple people came in. Multiple people came in below this level. Even up here, people came in. That's why we sold at this level. Price, see all alerts coming in the left corner right there. That's price coming down that area that we believe that is selling majorly. Just want to stay below that level. That's all. We got 5 minutes to go and it's 15, and then a whole another 15 minutes to go to sell down. So wait and see how price will develop itself at that point. Let's watch this for 1 hour. So we got 20 minutes left on this. So it's really getting past not really wait until 9 o'clock and then 9:30, and then we should be in deep profit at that point. So let's see what price will do. So within this, we just want to make sure that we're in the best position possible. 20 minutes to go. Really 18, but gonna see on a 15-minute time frame to sell down this area. And we're below both the 200 and the 50 EMA and the 15, so that's a beautiful setup for us to go through two levels or two EMAs. Exponential moving averages. You just want to use this energy that it has going up and down to straight down. A minute to go. 15. We close at this level will be beautiful for us right here. This level or below, golden. Same for the 1 hour, honestly. 1 hour looks like it's not gonna cross over so soon, but let's see what the gold did. Gold sold. Oh wow. Gold sold at this level. That's crazy. Minutes to go. Alright, it's a bearish engulfing. Yep. Okay, we're below it, so below that level. Yeah, 15 minutes ago, it tells us everything we need to know. The price comes above this level and closes, then we're definitely going to be out. But we're going to see price sell down, especially right now. I think we're having enough volume. I think we're just gearing up for the volume to go down. Honestly, yeah. Let's just push down right now. Be right back. a beautiful feeling when you come back to the chart and you see you in more profit than you were when you left. You just need to sell down, close below this area. It's a 1 hour coming up. You got 12 minutes to go, 11 minutes to go. You got one push, that's all. One super duper good push. Alright. Come on. You almost did it. Let's go back down again. Let's check the 1 hour out real quick. 10 minutes to go. Okay. 8 minutes to go. Taking profits right here don't sound too bad. Got 7 minutes to go. I want to see price flood. I want to see price flood. Flood down, flood down. This looks great. This looks great. This looks great so far. Once you below the 800 level, or once you below here, we'll get on the broke. All right, you know what? No, we're not. Because at 9 o'clock, we're out of here. We're out of here. It's like on the 4 hour, we're gonna close below this area and be well on our way down. Still keep an eye on it, obviously. If push comes to shove, we'll definitely get out down here. Just gonna get out in this box area, basically. These are type of trades like, well, trades in general that I like is the ones I don't have to hold for a long period of time. They'll give an exponential amount of profit and trend. So we close below this level right here, we're holding. And I hope it would do that before 9 o'clock, but we'll see what happens. Let's go, let's flow down. Yeah, we want this low right here. That's a swing low. That's coming off the 1 hour too. Go back here, it's on a 1 hour. What's June 9th? Yeah. Got 3 minutes to wait. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, but honestly, we want to get below. We want to go where our cursor's at right now at 316 level. So that's where you want to close this next minute and a half, or 2 minutes and a half. Now it's nearly 9 o'clock and then 9:30. want to dive down. You want to dive down. Alright, a minute ago. Let's see if we can push down to that level. If not, before 9:30, then we'll just wait for it to do it. It's gonna do it, but I want it to do it by 9. Alright. I gotta be careful here. So I want to sell straight through this, but the 1 hour is in sync. So 9 o'clock candle. See what happens here. 15 closed correctly. We still got room to go down. Alright, we're gonna hold this. We just want this level down here. That's all we want. At minimum, we want this level right here. So what we will do is we'll put alert there. Yeah, put alert right here. But we'll constantly be watching it, especially at 9:30. But I think we'll get a push 9:30. I think this is the indecision candle right here we get, and then 9:15, 9:30, or 9:15 we get the indecision candle. Pushing straight down. Not indecision candle as a doji, but an indecision candle as a pullback to this line. It's gonna sell right here. It's gonna pull back and come back down. In a sense, that's how I want to look at it. Or maybe this candle pulls back and then we'll see what we get. This is a dangerous level though. I don't like sitting at this level too long, so we'll see what price will do. But 9:30, we should be able to be all the way down at that alert. And obviously we want to target that area and we want to hit that 90 level down here. So we'll see what price does for us. But we are in profit. We're going to keep it updated and go 2 and 1 today. Simple as that. I'll see you guys on Sunday Structure. We'll have aftermath tonight actually, so or might have one a little bit earlier. So I'll see you guys later. Let's be in profit. Let's close out this week perfectly as best as we can, and we will do our best. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace. It's Reap2Sow.